TV problems. This TV is 32 inch. It's LG. It's LCD. So the problem is it's randomly shut down and randomly start from power, and randomly showing the menu as you see, and don't show the other things in the screen. So what the main problem here? The problem may be in three things. The first thing, on the remote control itself. This remote control, you have to check it. You have to isolate the battery from it, and examine the if there is a problem still or not. The second thing is the front button panel. This, which is maybe the problem here. The front button panel may be damaged. As you see, it's now shut down randomly. So this is a problem. So you have to clean it, so the first thing is to isolate the remote control. The second thing, if the problem is still remain, you have to clean this, and if it's still remain, you have to lose the TV from the wall and put it horizontally in a table in the screen in the front, and then lose the back cover and isolate this panel or front panel from the plug-in or the ribbon cable, and test that TV. If the problem finished, so the problem in the front panel or front panel button, these buttons, okay. If the problem still, so the problem in the main control board. So here, if the panel is the problem, you can use the remote control. If the remote control, change the remote control. If the main control board is the problem, so you have to change it by its serial number and all data accurate. You can order it from eBay or from Amazon. If you have any question, ask me and I'll reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching these videos, and please like and share the videos with others.